everybody, welcome back to my channel. I had a aha moment. Why didn't I think of this before? And I'm sure that someone out there has thought of this and I just don't know why I didn't. But that's just the lay of the land, you know? We think of things when we think of things. So this video is dedicated to all the renters out there who don't want to keep putting holes in their walls and have something heavy to hang. I'm talking mirror. So in our case, we have this mirror. I love this mirror. We brought it over from the East Coast when we moved. It's got a nautical vibe to it. It's also got a little retro vibe. It's got some cool brass elements. I love the black leather. I love everything about it. It is heavy. Back home, we had regular walls. We didn't have to deal with any kind of steel construction or steel framing. So in here, everything is steel framing. So it becomes very difficult when you want to hang something in a rental sometimes when you don't know exactly what's behind the walls and your studs are steel. You need a different bit, you need a drill that can get through to it, and sometimes it just becomes more effort than it's worth. So I really wanted to hang this mirror. I didn't know where I wanted to put it, and then I just thought, I have so many doors in this condo. We do, we have so many doors, and I can move that mirror around wherever I kind of want to move it, right? So I thought I wanted in our bedroom initially. Now, I have right here the little hooks that you put on the back side of doors generally for towels or any extra clothes, belts, scarves, hats, you name it. Anything that people normally put to hang over a door to give yourself some extra hang room. So we have a few of those. So I was like, why don't I just flip it around? And that's what I did. So I flipped it around. This is our closet door. So I flipped it around and I hung it right here. And I love the way that it looks. It's perfect. I love that this little detail on the actual hanger is like an oil rub bronze. It's got a darker tone to it. Obviously I could have looked for a black. I could have looked for, you know, any other kind of finish. I got this one at Target. It was super easy. Target is right around the corner, literally from where we live. Hopped in there, grabbed it, and now I have a place to hang my mirror. And the best part, I didn't have to drill into my wall. There's no damage that's been done to this condo that I have to patch and paint when we move out, which is awesome, like primo win, right? So in addition, you can put this somewhere else. That's the kind of the coolest part about all of this. Now this hanger is pretty utilitarian. It's not the coolest looking of hangers, but there are cooler looking ones. So if you really wanted to jazz it up and have really pretty hooks that could hang over your door to hang something like a heavier mirror, you could go get one of those too and put it anywhere else inside of your space and it's gonna look just as pretty. And I just love that fact. I love the fact that it's movable, it's transient. I don't have to keep it in just one place. And I really do love that. I do like being able to switch things out and move things about. Kind of why I'm a weirdo when it comes to putting personal pictures up on walls. I don't know. I've always had this weird issue with it. That's on another video to come. How to put pictures in other places that are interesting that don't include picture frames. That video is coming up soon. But here's my aha moment for the day. Go out, get yourself a hook, and hang that big old piece of art or mirror that you just don't want to put in the wall or worry about damaging something and having to patch and repaint. Easy breezy. No-brainer, and it looks really, really cool. Let me know in the comment section down below if you already knew about this. Why didn't I know about something that's just so obvious and simple? My mom always did say I was an intelligent dope, so I do love you, Mom. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe. Your support really means the world. We will catch you next week. One per week. Bye.